Chinese J10 and Dassault Rafale are two powerful fighter jets. From different parts of the world, each built for speed, agility, and combat dominance. The J10, China's pride, is a lightweight, highly maneuverable multirole jet designed for air superiority and ground attacks. On the other hand, France Rafale is a highly advanced 4.5 generation fighter, known for its cutting-edge technology, superior versatility, and proven combat experience. While both jets are formidable in their own right, their design, capabilities, and battlefield performance set them apart. Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison of these two aerial warriors. The J10 measures 16.9 meters, 55 feet, in length, while the Rafale is slightly smaller at 15.27 meters, 50 feet. The J10 has maximum takeoff weight of 24,500 kilograms, 54,013 pounds, compared to the Rafale has a higher maximum takeoff weight of 19,227 kilograms, 42,388 pounds. The J10 is powered by a single WS-10B afterburning turbofan engine, producing 89.17 kilonewton of dry thrust. In contrast, the Rafale uses two Snecma M88-4E turbofans, each generating 50.04 kilonewton of dry thrust. The Rafale twin-engine configuration provides better redundancy, reliability, and thrust efficiency. In terms of speed, both jets are closely matched. The J10 can reach speeds of Mach 1.8, approximately 2,205 kilometers per hour, while the Rafale has a top speed of Mach 1.8, 1,912 kilometers per hour. This makes the J10 slightly faster in straight-line acceleration. When it comes to firepower, the J10 features 11 hardpoints, with a total external capacity of 5,600 kilograms for weapons and fuel tanks. The Rafale surpasses this with 14 hardpoints, supporting a heavier payload of 9,500 kilograms. This gives the Rafale a greater advantage in multi-role operations. The J10 is significantly more affordable, with an estimated cost of $40 to $50 million per unit, while the Rafale comes at a much higher price, ranging between $100 to $120 million per aircraft. In terms of armament, J10 is equipped to carry a variety of weapons to enhance its combat capabilities. It can utilize short-range, air-to-air missiles, including the PL-8 and PL-10, which are designed for close dogfights. For medium-range engagements, the J10 can be armed with radar-guided missiles, like the PL-12 and PL-15, allowing it to target enemy aircraft at greater distances. While Rafale utilizes a store management system compliant with MIL STD 1760, facilitating seamless integration of various weapons and equipment. With 14 hardpoints, 13 on the Rafale M version, including 5 suitable for heavy armaments or auxiliary fuel tanks, Rafale boasts a maximum external load capacity of 9 tons. Additionally, it is armed with the 30mm GIT-30 revolver cannon and can be configured with an array of laser-guided bombs and ground attack munitions. The J10, also known as the Firebird by NATO, is a tiny multi-role fighter with a single engine that can fly in any weather. It was designed for the People's Liberation Army Air Force to conduct strike and air-to-air combat operations. Its radar is equipped with a mechanically scanned planar array antenna and can track up to 10 targets. While the Rafale, developed by French manufacturer Dassault Aviation, is highly versatile, boasting advanced avionics and a wide array of weapons capability, its design prioritizes agility and adaptability, making it effective in various combat scenarios. J10 features a reduced radar cross-section through a streamlined airframe, blended wing body design, and the incorporation of radar-absorbent material. The J10 introduces additional stealth elements, including a divergent, supersonic inlet, with a bump intake which eliminates the need for moving parts and reduces radar reflections. The extensive use of composite materials in the fuselage and wings further lowers its detectability. Meanwhile, the Rafale was meticulously crafted with reduced radar cross-section and infrared signature in mind. Modifications from the initial technology demonstrator include tail fin size reduction, fuselage reshaping, repositioning of engine, air inlets beneath the wing, and extensive use of composite materials. 70% of the Rafale intake surface area consists of composites, enhancing its stealth capabilities. However, many features aimed at minimizing the Rafale visibility to threats remain classified. In conclusion, both are formidable fighter jets, each excelling in different aspects. The J10 is a cost-effective, highly maneuverable, single-engine multirole fighter with stealth features, making it a strong choice for air superiority and strike missions. In contrast, the Rafale is a more advanced, combat-proven, 4.5-generation twin-engine jet with superior avionics, higher payload capacity, and greater versatility. While the J10 offers agility and affordability, the Rafale stands out with its cutting-edge technology, better redundancy, and extensive weapons compatibility. Ultimately, the choice depends on mission needs, operational priorities, and budget considerations. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about both fighters in the comment section. Hey there! Are you pursuing aviation studies and struggling with aviation subjects? Don't worry. At Jetline Marvel, we bring over 10 years of experience in the aviation industry. We've crafted an amazing textbook, packed with valuable content tailored to your graduation requirements and aligned with Bangalore University's curriculum. Check out our book on Amazon and order your copy today.